So good morning students, welcome to your online mathematics class. I hope you solved the questions which I gave yesterday and all the questions and concepts are clear. So today we will solve questions from a higher level, that is from Ncert Exemplar. Okay, those students who have not yet solved the previous questions, you are supposed to watch the videos again and try and solve those questions at least twice and thrice. Only then you would be able to solve today's questions which are from Ncert Exemplar. Alright students, we'll proceed. Okay, so let me write today's date and then we'll start with the question. So we'll take, okay, purple. So today is 13/7/23. Okay, so this question, as you can see, I've written also exemplar problems. So it is saying if a is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6, okay, and b is equal to 1 upon a. Okay, can you see students? Okay students, you can see if a is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 and b is equal to 1 upon a, then find what will be the value of a square, right? Question is saying what will be the value of a square plus b square. All right, so question is saying find the value of a square plus b square. Okay, so we'll start with the solution. So first and foremost, students, see the value of a is already given to us and it is given b is equal to 1 upon a. So what is the value of a? It is given, see here, value of a is 1 upon 5 plus 2 root 6, right? So I explained rationalization, students. So I will multiply and divide with the sign change here, 5 minus 2 root 6 upon 5 minus 2 root 6. Okay, rationalization I have explained. So 5 plus, so this will be now 5 minus 2 root 6. Change the sign and multiply and divide. So this will be 5 minus 2 root 6 upon. So yesterday I had solved so many questions of a plus b into a minus b. Let me change things so it will be easy for you to differentiate. A plus b into a minus b, students. A plus b into a minus b. By this time you should be able to tell the answer and formulas in dream also correct. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Very good students. Okay, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Alright, so here this is a and this is b. This is a and this is b. So this will be equal to a square. So what is the value of a? 5 square. Alright, minus, okay, minus c, 2 root 6 whole square. See where I'm putting bracket and then square. Note this step. Okay, 2 root 6 whole square. So 5 square is 25, right? And 2 root 6. What do you mean by 2 root 6, students? Whole square. So 2 root 6 into 2 root 6. So 2 into 2 will give me 4. Root 6 into root 6 will be 6. Very good. So 25 minus 24. So 25 minus 24 is equal to 1. Are you following, students? Is it clear? So 25 minus 24 is equal to 1. So I'll change the ink and continue with the same pen. So a plus b into a minus b. This value will be how much? 5 plus 2 root 6 multiplied by 5 minus 2 root 6, which is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6 upon 1. So upon 1 I will write this 5 minus 2 root 6. I hope till here it is clear. Go through it. Alright students, till here it is clear. So what is the value of b? So value of b is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Now the value of a is already given to us in the question. We have found the value of b, but we didn't find the answers. Question is saying find the value of a square plus b square. Now we know a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square I explained yesterday, students, is equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab, right? But we need only, see in the question, we need to find the value of only a square plus b square. So if I subtract minus 2ab, so if I'm subtracting minus 2ab on the right hand side, I have to do on the left hand side also. So a plus b whole square minus twice ab is equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab minus twice ab. So why I'm doing this minus 2ab? Because in the question we need to find the value of a square plus b square only. Can you see here, students? See on the top left where I'm putting this arrow, a square plus b square. So I'm subtracting minus 2ab. So if I subtract, this is cancelled and this is cancelled. So a square plus b square is equal to what, students? A plus b whole square minus twice ab. So if I find the value of a plus b whole square and twice ab and substitute, I will get the value of a square plus b square, which is that is what the question is asking for. Are you following? So I'll solve this now. Okay, I'll change the ink so it will be easy for you to differentiate. I'll write with green now. Okay, so what is the value of a plus b? So a plus b is simple, students. What is the value of a we have got? See, what is the value of a we have got? Value of a is in the question already given, 5 plus 2 root 6. Right? What is the value of b? Plus 5 minus 2 root 6. We already solved here. See, value of b is this. So open the brackets. When I'll open the brackets, plus 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6 cancelled. So 5 plus 5 is what? 10. Are you following? So what is the value of a plus b? So value of a plus b is equal to 10. So I can substitute here value of a plus b. Now I need to find the value of a into b. Can you see here ab? Can you see, students, where I'm putting the green arrow down on the left side? Alright. So ab is equal to, how will I solve a into b? 5 plus 2 root 6 multiplied by 5 minus 2 root 6. Simple. We have already solved this. A plus b into a minus b. See here. Can you see? A plus b into a minus b. See here. A plus b into a minus b. When we solved, what did we get? See here. 1. What is the value of this? A plus b into a minus b is already solved. 1. Okay. Can you see, students, here? A plus b into a minus b. Same here. A square, that is 5 square. What is the value of b? 2 root 6. So 2 root 6 whole square. Okay, so which is 24. 25 minus 24 is equal to 1. Are you following? So we have found the value of a plus b now. Alright, and we know the value of ab, then we will substitute here. So again I am changing ink so that you can easily differentiate, students. Alright, so let me take this. So what is the value of a plus b? A plus b is 10. So 10 square. See from here, students, I am solving this portion here. Okay, 10 square minus twice ab. What is the value of ab? Into 1. So 10 square is what, students? 100. Right? Minus 2. 100 minus 2 is how much, students? 98. Are you following, students? So this is the answer. What is the value of a square plus b square? Okay, so I'll explain once again from the beginning. Okay, let me take the laser pointer. Okay, so question is saying if a is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 and b is equal to 1 upon a, then what will be the value of a square plus b square? So we have to find the value of a square plus b square. Okay, so first step, if this is given to us, so b is equal to 1 upon a. A value is already given to us in the question, which is 1 upon 5 plus 2 root 6. Can you see, students? 5 plus 2 root 6. I had explained the rationalization. Okay, so we multiply and divide with the sign change. 5 minus 2 root 6 upon 5 minus 2 root 6. So 1 into 5 minus 2 root 6 is how much, students? 5 minus 2 root 6 only. See here, 5 minus 2 root 6. A plus b into a minus b is equal to what? See here, I have written the formula. I had explained yesterday also. A plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. So what is the value of a? 5. What is the value of b? 2 root 6. It is not root 6, it is 2 root 6. So 2 root 6 whole square. Okay, so this is 2 root 6 into 2 root 6. So 2 into 2, 4. Root 6 into root 6 is equal to 6. I had explained this in the video yesterday. Okay, so watch the video at least twice or thrice and solve the question 2-3 times, only then it will be clear to you students. Okay, so 5 square is 25, 25 minus 24 is 1. Now question is saying we have to find the value of a square plus b square. We already know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab, right? So if I take this 2ab that side, so this will be a plus b whole square minus twice ab. You can do this directly, or if I subtract minus 2ab on both sides, that is also correct. Okay, because we don't have to find the value of a square plus b square plus twice ab. We have to find the value of a square plus b square. So what we can do, this plus, if I take on the left side, so this will be a plus b whole square minus twice ab, right? Or if I subtract minus 2ab on both sides, it is same, students. So this ab twice ab and this minus twice ab is cancelled. So a square plus b square value will be a plus b whole square minus twice ab. So now a plus b we will calculate, substitute the value here, then we will find the value of ab, substitute here, we will get the answer. So very simple, a plus b, a value is already given to us in the question, 5 plus 2 root 6. Value of b we already calculated, right? See here, 5 minus 2 root 6, that is what I have substituted here. Add 2 root 6 and minus 2 root 6 cancelled. 5 plus 5, 10, right? ab now multiply a plus b into a minus b. This here on, this is what we have solved here. See, a plus b into a minus b. Can you see on the right side, students? A plus b into a minus b, right? So 25 minus 24. How did I get this? All these steps working. Okay, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Same thing, not repeating. Already explained, student, right? So this is one. Now question, we have to substitute the value here, a plus b whole square. So 10 square, correct? What is the value of ab? We have got 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So 10 square is what? 100 minus 2 is equal to 98. So this is what the answer is. Are you following? Repeat this question at least twice or thrice, students. It is a difficult question. That is why I have explained higher level of difficulty. So you should be able to solve this. Okay, watch this video twice and sit with pen and register. Don't simply watch. Okay, you simultaneously solve the question. Only then you will follow. Okay, is it clear? All right. Okay, so thank you for your attention. Be disciplined, study well, and be good students. Okay.